If you would like to see how I achieve this juicy passion twist look, just keep on watching. You're going to need a few clips. You're going to need a rat tail comb, got to be glue, a braiding rack or like a clothing rack, whatever you want to call it, some shaper hairspray from Sally's, some Vigorol mousse, and a crochet hook. These are the essential tools that you'll need, and also Softy hair thickening oil. These will help to make your passion twist look as sleek and as beautiful as possible. I will be using 8 bags, yes, 8 bags of passion twist hair. I got this hair from Amazon. I will link all the information about this hair in the description box. I will also be using a black comb to part, to help me part my hair. Now y'all see me combing it and detangling it. I did previously detangle my hair, but I'm just brushing it out so that it makes it easier for me to basically braid the hair, grab the hair, and so that it doesn't be super tangly, I guess, because I've already detangled it and everything. So this is just me brushing it completely out so y'all could see. Okay, so in this clip, this is me showing y'all a Shine and Jam container, but in the container, it's a mixture of just a bunch of stuff I mixed together. Sulfur 8, Do Grow, Wild Growth, and a bunch of other stuff. Like, it's really an interesting mixture. So I'm going to take this mixture, I'm going to apply it directly on my scalp in the parted areas and around the perimeter of my head. As you can see, I have already pre-parted the back of my hair using a mirror. You can get a handheld mirror from the beauty supply. I've just done little boxes on the back of my hair so it can be easy for me to install the twist into my head using my crochet hook. The parting method I will be doing is called the bricklayer parting, meaning like one part has to cover the next part and overlap the next part. That makes it easier and smoother transition for your hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing y'all how to start the actual process. So you need to part your hair, apply that Shine and Jam grease that I had showed y'all earlier. Apply that to your hair, comb it out, make sure that it's detangled, and you're going to get a rubber band, just one, and you're going to tie it on the hair about 4 to 6 times. The more you tie it, the more secure it's going to be. Don't tie it too much so that you don't cause any discomfort or breakage to your hair. After you're done tying it, you're going to two-strand twist the hair all the way down to the very end of it. Two-strand twisting it is going to ensure that it doesn't unravel, as soon as you put the crochet in it. I believe that this method is more efficient for me when doing passion twist tutorials, so I just do that. I don't add a rubber band to the end because I don't think it's necessary. I think it's just a lot of extra and it's going to lead to too much breakage. So same thing you did on the first one, you're going to do on the second one. You're going to get a rubber band and you're going to tie your hair with it and you're going to two-strand twist it all the way down. One more time, get a rubber band and you're going to tie your hair, tie it about 5 to 6 times. That is going to ensure that your hair is going to stay and it will not unravel. After you have done this, you should check your hair and make sure that all your rubber bands are secure but not too tight, especially around your edge line so you don't pull out your edges. Okay, I have very fine edges, but I still make sure that the rubber bands are not too tight so it doesn't snag my edges. So this clip is when I was halfway done, y'all. It was so late at night. I was ready to go to bed. This was around 3 a.m., 4 a.m. And this is me like basically mixing it. I had to mix some hair from another pack of hair that I had. So the 8 packs was enough, but I just had too many parts in my head basically. So if you are going to do the exact same part style that I did, I would say get 8 packs or 8 to 10 packs of hair off Amazon, or you can go to your local beauty supply, but try to get the same consistency or texture of hair because I had to mix in the pre-twisted boho kinky from Twisted Up Expression, 2 packs of it. Yes, 2 packs, so it can finish the job that I had started. For each passion twist style, I need 2 pieces of hair because if you only use one, it won't be enough. So this is me fluffing out, or have already fluffed out the hair because the hair came pre-twisted. It came pre-twisted, so you need 2 pieces and you're going to fluff out those 2 pieces. The reason why you fluff it out is to give it more volume and more, it makes it stick longer, if that makes sense. I didn't want to crochet it in the way it was, so I just made sure I did that. And I'm going to pull the hair forward, I'm going to make sure that you guys can see exactly what I am doing. You're going to pull the hair forward. You're going to get your crochet hook. You're going to open it, and you're going to go straight into the part. Literally straight into the part. As you are putting the crochet hook in, you're going to get your 2 pieces of pre-fluffed hair. Well, not really pre-fluffed, but you fluffed it out, and you're going to twist it. Twist it together, and then grab it, twist it again, grab it, and then get the hook and put it right on top of the hook. Close it, turn it, and pull it through the hair. Grab the top part of the hair and only pull one strand. Do not pull both strands, or you will literally pull the hair out, and you don't want to do that. That wouldn't even make sense. So just pull it. Make sure that the hair can move freely like this through the twist. And as it is moving freely, make sure that you fluff it out a bit, because some pieces might get tangled, and you're going to just wrap it one over the other, like you're literally just wrapping it one over the other. You have to make sure that you conceal your natural hair in between one strand of the hair and the other strand of the hair you're going to use to wrap over that. Wrap as tight. When I say tight, wrap as tight as you can. The tighter you wrap, y'all can see, like, look at my eyes, like that's how you know I was wrapping real tight, because it's gonna end up loosening up on its own. So you have to wrap as tight as you can so that it could stay up. And as you're wrapping, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist. And then when you have reached the amount of times you want to wrap, because you have to wrap about 6 to 7 times, you just twist and go all the way down. You literally have to keep twisting and going all the way down as tight as you can. The tighter you make the twist going down, the better it's going to stay. Trust me on this. The hair will loosen up right when you're done. It will literally loosen up, because this type of hair is very, very silky-ish. So you have to be it's not kinky hair. It's kind of slippery, silky hair. I don't really know how to explain it, but you have to get the hair to see what I'm talking about. So you have to make sure that you wrap tightly and also twist tightly all the way to the end of the hair. The tighter you do it, the better the outcome and the more it will hold up. I promise y'all it's going to loosen up, so do not be afraid that your hair is going to be tight. This style was not tight. This was a very loose style for me. So keep doing that all the way down until you have reached the tip. And then when you reach the tip of the hair, you're just going to literally twist it and twirl it with your fingers. It's so simple. Like, look, watch me. Keep twisting it. Keep twisting it. Keep twisting it all the way down, and then you're going to twirl the ends of it with your fingers. That is going to prevent it from unraveling and basically coming apart. As you see, I put it in my mouth so it can make it easier for me to just do the ends of it. But it gets all the way down. It's just a waste of time. So just put it in your mouth. Honestly, it's your hair. Put it in your mouth and then twist it out. Literally just like that, and look, it is going to stay. It's not going anywhere. It is secure. It is tight. You could pull it to check. It is not going anywhere, girl. So that is literally how you do a passion twist. And I'm going to show you guys one more time so that y'all could see. You're going to get your hook. You're going to open up the hook. You're going to put the hook into the hair and take your 2 pieces of fluffed out hair. Remember, it was pre-twisted. You untwisted it. You untwisted it. You're going to fluff it out again, and you're going to take your hook, grab the hair, twist it first. Then you grab your natural hair, you grab the crochet hook and put the hook through your hair. Make sure that you put it through your hair like so. Twist the hair again because it might unravel in your hand. Put the hair through the hook, and you're going to close the hook and pull it through. Pull it through, grab one strand and make sure that the hair can move freely like so. If it's not moving freely, you have to do it all over again. You have to take the hair out and do it again. But if it is moving freely, you are doing a great job. So you're going to grab your natural hair, make sure that it's in between 2 pieces of hair, and you're going to wrap the hair around as tight as you can, but not too tight that it's uncomfortable, but wrap it as tight as you can. The tighter it is, the more secure it's going to be. And then you're going to twist and wrap all the way down. well, not twist and wrap, but you're going to twist it all the way down, as you would like 2-strand twist the regular hair. Just twist it all the way down as tight as you can to ensure that it's going to last. When it comes down to the ends, just twist it out like that, and your ends should look like that. This is how your hair is going to look. I mean, mine, as y'all can see, I have 2 different types of, twist pattern because I ran out of hair. So I had to use a different pack. The bigger twists are the different pack, and the smaller twists are from the same pack. But if you use the same twist, it's going to look really cute. As y'all can see, like, get into it. Like, this stuff is really cute. This style is so cute, y'all. Like, I love it. It's such a cute protective style for winter, for summer, fall, whatever season, girl. Like, it looks really cute. And by the time, look at me feeling myself, girl. Look at you. By the time I was done, I just got some Vigorol. This is just regular mousse. You can get it from the beauty supply. I swear by this mousse. This mousse is amazing. Look at me just shaking that thing up, girl. Like, shake it up. When I say shake that mousse because you want to get every single foam out as much as you can. So get a very good amount. I did this about 3 to 4 times because I did my hair in sections. I don't believe in putting mousse all in your hair at one time. I like to do the top of my hair, then the bottom, the top of my hair, then the middle, then the bottom. So start there. I started the ends first. The ends are the most important part. In this particular part, I started the ends simply because, why not? So just do the ends first, or the middle of your hair. And make sure that the product is evenly distributed literally by each twist, because you want the mousse to saturate each twist. Next, we're going to go in with our genetic shaping spray. Y'all might hear me sounding funny because I have my whitening strips in my mouth. But we're going to go in with our genetic spray. And we're going to spray. This is literally just hairspray from Sally's. We're going to spray like the heck out of our hair. Spray it, make it have some nice shine. The last step to achieving this look is just getting your softy thickening oil. You can order this from Amazon or any beauty supply store, but I got mine specifically from Amazon. I'm going to take a generous amount and apply to the roots of my hair. So just put a decent, generous amount on your scalp for rejuvenation and just for hair growth in general. That is it, guys. Like, seriously, look how nice, how simple, how easy this style is. This style should last you about 1 to 2 months with proper maintenance, because we did the rubber band method. We didn't do like we didn't just twist it into our hair, so it's less likely to just fall out. So with proper maintenance, make sure that you wear your bonnet and wear a scarf before you go to bed. This style will last, I promise y'all. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up. Make sure that you comment if you will rock this style, and also make sure you subscribe. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.